Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make embeds in discord.js. So what are embeds in Discord? So embed is basically this component you see when you paste a link. So basically has a link with like kind of a title and then the description of YouTube, and then there is the logo of YouTube. So how to create such kind of components using discord.js? So we'll see that in today's video. So I'll open up the Visual Studio Code, and then in commands I'll create a new file called as embed.js. So this will be a new command. First we'll import Discord. So const discord equals to require discord.js, and then module.export equals to data colon new discord dot slash command builder, and then we have to give the slash command builder a name. So dot set name equals to embed, and then description would be like show how embeds work in discord.js. Well, now once we are done with the description, we will write async execute client and interaction, and before this we will do slash asterisk, and here in this discord.client, and here discord.command interaction. Now we will create a embed. So the name of our embed would be like just const embed equals to new discord dot embed builder. For a slash command builder we use slash command builder, for a embed we use embed builder. And now the color of the embed, so dot set color, so I'm going to keep it blue. So what basically the color of the embed means, when you see this thin line, this is gray, but right now we are using it blue. And then after the set color we have to set the title. So dot set title, okay, sorry, example embed, and then dot set URL. So the title to that sorry, a URL to that title, you can see YouTube here is the title, and the URL to it is youtube.com. so here we are going to give it same like youtube.com, and then we have to set a descriptions, or before that you can set author. So set author, and in this there are two things you have to mention, which is the name. So name would be codeit, and then the icon URL you can give the discord.js logo. So I'll just go here and I'll just copy link and I'll paste it here, like .png. And once we have done .set author, when I run this command I'll show you what does author mean. And after image icon URL you can put also URL, that would be https://discord.js.org, and then .set description. This is an example of how embeds work in discord.js. Now after description we will add a thumbnail. So set thumbnail. So what a thumbnail basically is, when you enter the YouTube URL you can see the YouTube logo. So this is basically the thumbnail. So we have set the thumbnail to the discord.js logo. Now we are going to add fields. So dot add fields. So this is regular field I'll say, and then this is the value of the field. So this is a single field. Now we have to add multiple field and dot add fields, and in that, like this, you have to add name, inline field 1. No, I'll show you what does inline mean, and value is inline field 1 and inline true. We'll create one more inline field. We'll just copy this, and after this curly bracket we'll just put a comma and paste it here. So inline field 2, inline field 2. I'll show you what are inline fields. Now we are going to use dot set image. So I will also show you what is set image. So here this is the thumbnail, and image is a big image below this description. It comes at the end. Now after dot set image we'll use the last part, which is the footer. So footer is same like author. So in the author we can just copy this and we can just paste it here like this. And instead of codeit, I'll just put it discord.js, and in author also I'll just put it discord.js. And here also, instead of YouTube, as we are doing it about discord.js, so I'll put it discord.js. So our embed is ready. Now we have to send this embed when the user uses the command embed. So await interaction dot reply embeds colon embed. So why we have written embed? Because the name of our embed is const embed. If I do it example embed and example embed, so I have to change it here also. Now what we'll do is we'll run the build command. So this command gets register, and then we'll run the index.js command. So our bot gets online, and when we go to Discord, our bot is online, and what we have to do is just type in /embed. Okay, unknown integration. So we'll just reload this. And we'll try it again. Okay, there was an error. Okay, I understood what is the error here. In dot add fields, this is a regular field. Here also we have to add like name. So here, yeah, like this, and then we have to again run the build command. So node build.js and then node index.js, and we'll reload this Discord page again. Then /embed, again an error, required properties missing for set footer. Okay, in set footer you can't use the URL, and I forgot that, and instead of name you have to use text. So these are the basic changes you need, and I'll tell you why. So in dot set author you have to use the name, and you can also add a URL to that name. But in dot set footer you can add text and the icon URL, but you can't add a URL to that text. And we'll do again node index.js, and we'll again type in embed. So you can see this is our example embed. So basically this is the author. You can see, you can go to this link. This is the author's icon, this is the thumbnail, This is the description, this is the title, and this title has an URL. Now this is a regular field. Now this is an inline field. Inline field means these both are on two line, and in inline fields only three fields can be in one line, not more than three fields. And then after that you can see this is the image. We have used dot set image, so this is the one which comes after the fields. And then in footer, as we can add no URL, so it's just a plain text, and there's the icon. And you can see the embed color is blue. So the first property we set was dot set color, which was blue. So this is how you create embeds using discord.js. And if you want to know more about it, then you can go to Google and just type in discord.js, and you can just go to the docs, and here you can see the embed builder. Yeah, you can just see the embed builder, and you can see the different methods and search up for it. And if you want to search more about slash command builder, which we use, so you can see the different properties, different methods, and in the next videos we will use more methods of it, and we will use more properties. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, and if you like such kind of content, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.